Hey there, enthusiasts! Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, your go-to channel for the smartest, simplest tech solutions. Today we're diving into one of Viber's coolest privacy features, hiding your chats with a PIN. Whether you're looking to protect personal messages or keep things more private, this tip is for you. So, let's get started. First things first, open the Viber app on your phone. You'll want to head to the chat you want to hide. Found it? Great. Now, tap and hold on the chat until a menu pops up. Long press on Chat to reveal more options. From the menu, select Hide Chat. This will prompt you to set a 4-digit PIN for security. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Remember, this PIN will be your key to accessing the hidden chat later. Once you've set your PIN, voila! The chat is now hidden. To find it again, just swipe down on your chat list and enter your PIN in the search bar. Easy, right? And that's it. With just a few taps, you've unlocked a whole new level of privacy in Viber. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips for more practical tech tricks. Got questions or other features you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.